Hi guys, today I'm actually going to show you how you could be able to upgrade your notebook's RAM. So first you go to Task Manager or simply press Ctrl Alt Delete at the same time. So as you could see, I have 4 gigabytes of RAM and I only have 1.3 gigabytes left because I only opened PowerPoint. So first you should download CPU-Z. So CPU-Z is actually going to help you decide what kind of RAM should be compatible on your device. So I already have mine installed here. So let's see. So we're going to go to memory. It's going to tell you how much RAM you have on your device, and the SPD, what kind of RAM would be compatible on your computer because you already have one installed. So my slot 1 is empty, my slot 2 has DDR3L PCR 12800 at 1.35 voltage. So I don't want to buy a wrong RAM. Okay, so we're going to actually remove the laptop's battery. Okay, and it's done. So I bought my RAM in Shopee at 690 baht, and it's only 4 gigabytes because I wanna upgrade it at 8. So I thought the RAM is actually big, but then I was kind of surprised because it's very small. Yeah, it's very tiny. Okay, so what we're actually going to do is we're going to unscrew the screw on our laptops where we could be able to find the RAM. Okay. My slot 1 is empty and we're going to put it in slot 1. And then we're going to put it at 40-degree angle and then gently press it down. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to screw the back cover back and let's check. So we're going to check. Now my RAM is at 8 gigabytes and let's go to CPU-Z if we install the right RAM. Okay, so memory is at 8 gigabytes and SPD is DDR3L PC3 12800 1.35 voltage. So it means we were able to upgrade our RAM at 8.